You're here. Amazing. We are live. Marcus Body Clothing Line. Remember, no excuses. You see, we do, and no excuses. Are you ready? New footwork every day, and today, cross complicado 2. Amazing. Watch, see, and then practice with me. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit closer. And let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Let's switch the cameras so you can do it with me with the phone. Let's go. Let's do it together, starting with the left or with the right. Let's start with the left. Let's go. We cross, we open and cross to the back. We cross, we open, we cross to the back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Cross, open, cross. Cross, open, cross. Cross, open, cross. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross to the front, open, cross to the back. Cross to the front, open, cross to the back. Yeah, that's the move. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's switch back. Amazing or not amazing? I'm here reminding you, these are universal moves. Marcus Body coding. We code them. Yeah. The name is Cross Complicado 2. And remember, universal moves, so you can use them. Chi-ching, hip-hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, semba. Yeah, there's a difference, samba and semba. Either zumba, whatever you want, universal moves. Wait. You still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Now, I want to see you. Are you ready? Let's do it face to face. Let's do it face to face. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah? Let's stare in the mirror. Check the hat. And let's do it face to face, starting with the left. Ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. Cross, open, cross. Cross, open, cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we can do just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. Amazing. We can do 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 because it doesn't matter which foot we start with. Amazing. That's the reason why you can do it in salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the right and with the left. Amazing. You're still here. Whoa. Such an honor for me to be with you, and the fact that you're with me in this amazing day in Bangkok. Yeah, so since you stayed till now, I want to give you a bonus. Ready for the bonus? Yeah. So this move, Cross Complicado 2, you can practice with me, full tutorial, for free. Yeah, no purchasing DVDs or anything. Just click the link and go to YouTube, full tutorial. Where's the link? Wait, where's the link? It's somewhere there. Yeah, use the link and meet me in the studio. Wait, but what do you care? You have this video, right? Remember, no excuses. Hit the replay button and just practice with me again. And later on this day, go to the party and do this move in today's party. But what happens if you forget the move? You can just be in the center of the party thinking about the move, or maybe a better idea. You have the phone, right? You can go to the corner, all excited because you have it under your phone. You take your phone, watch this video, practice with me on the grass, on the pavement, wherever it is, in the rain, in the sun, whatever the weather it is. Then you go back to the party, ching, all confident, and you do the move. Yeah, just in the middle so everybody can see. Show off a little bit, you deserve it. You practiced. So do it today, but do it today. Yeah, today. Why today? Amazing question. Cause tomorrow there's another footwork. New footwork every day. So meet you tomorrow or meet you tomorrow? What do you prefer? Let's think. Either way, I'll be here tomorrow. Hope to see you again. Have an amazing day.